Greek lemon chicken orzo soup. That's a mouthful. But also, so will your first bite? Huh? See what I did there? Okay. I'm sorry, this isn't going to be one of those step-by-step videos. I'm going to tell you exactly what's in this soup, and you're going to have to figure out measurements for yourself in the meantime before I can make the actual recipe. The first thing you need to know is that I'm using chicken. I have too many things of chicken. There's chicken in all parts of my kitchen, and I just threw all this together. I really had this hope that I was going to make a bunch of grilled chicken and just use this pot to do that. But what ended up happening was this like searing thing that happened, and it kind of was like sticking to the bottom of the pan. I don't know what really happened, but I realized very quickly that I could not use this pan or this chicken in the way I thought I was going to originally. So what I have was this idea of like, you know what? I've been wanting to make a soup for a while. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to use the ingredients I have on hand. I've had this orzo for like a year and I've really wanted to use it. So I decided that I would just make a lemon orzo soup. I'm using this for lemon. I am not using a real lemon. They're not really in season, and the ones that I have are used for other things. So that was kind of what I was thinking as far as like, I'll just put some lemon juice and some salt, some garlic, some pepper, and I will maybe add a little bit of cream or half and half or something that I have that is a cream base to make it a little bit creamier. As far as seasonings went, I did decide to use this seasoning packet here. I've also had this for a very long time, and I'm doing my best to try and use the things and ingredients that I have on hand. But sometimes I also save things. So this was going to be like, oh, I'm going to make Greek chicken, and I never made the Greek chicken. So I added it to this. I also added a bunch of vegetables. I was like, this would be much heartier and just give it a little bit more depth of flavor, a little bit more well-roundedness to it. And I thought it would also make it, a little bit more filling. Now, I had a little bit of lemon pepper, and I went ahead and I threw that in there. That was like the rest of that container. So I kind of realized that the kids are not going to eat this. This is going to be me and my husband, and it's really just going to be me. So the pot is way too big for me. Like, this is way too much soup for one person, but I'm really happy I made it. It actually came out really good, and I did add a splash of heavy whipping cream because that's what I had for a cream base. I'll get you a recipe soon.